warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 7. My name is Khodijah.
My name is Nailul Khamidah.
My name is Yuliana Indah Winarti.
We will explain about statistics that consist of understanding, job opportunities, and application in life. First, do you know statistics? Of course, everyone knows. We often estimate the price of an item before buying it. These include examples of statistical application. Another example is the weather forecast app for the mobile phone. Especially in this big data era, all fields need a statistician, both the health, economy, government, and even the environment. So, what is statistics? Initially, statistics comes from the word state, which means country, and thus it has the sense of the study of the state, especially data analysis that exists in a country. Increasingly, statistics are progressing. Statistics shifted its meaning into the science of the collecting and classifying data not only within the national sphere but in many areas. So, statistics is the science that studies how to plan, collect, process, analyze, and conclude data. The main function of the statistics is a footing or guideline used to make a decision. Without statistics, we cannot do predict things and we cannot to make a right decision. Next, Yuliana will explain the job opportunities of a statistics graduate.
Now, I want to explain about job prospect for the statistic graduates. Actually, there are many job prospects for statistic graduates, but in this presentation, I just explain 8 job prospects. The first is quality control analyst. Quality control analysts have tasks to conduct the test in determine the quality of raw materials, semi-finished product, and finished products. So, why the quality control analyst can be a job prospect for statistic graduates? It's because the quality control analysts have tasks to do the sample stability test, where in looking the sample, we need to study statistics. And second is survey agency. The third is market research analyst and marketing specialist. And the fourth is operational research analyst. And the fifth is budget analyst. Okay, next. The sixth is mathematician. The mathematician have some tasks that is doing research about fundamental of mathematics. The other task is to solve problems in various fields using mathematical methods. And the seventh is biostatistician. The biostatistician can also from statistic graduates because the biostatistician task still relates with statistics. So, what is the task of biostatistician? The task of biostatistician is developing and applying the biostatistical theory and methods to learn a science. And the second is draw a conclusion or make prediction based on data summary and statistical analysis. And the eighth, and this is the last job prospect for statistic graduate is statistician. That the task is developing or applying mathematics or statistic theory and method to collect, organize, interpret, and summarize the numeric data for provide usable information. Statistician can specialize in certain fields like biostatistics, agricultural statistics, business statistics, or economic statistics. So, the next material will be explained with my friends Mia.
And I will explain about the application of statistics in life. One in five of work statistics are commonly used in various areas of a workforce. The strategic planning of an organization mainly relies on forecasting and budgeting studies. For example, a workplace accident prevention plan is prepared based on the data collected regarding the risk factor present in business activities. 2. In preference to certain brands, consumer goods and services generally show a preference for certain market plans. This trend is a product of statistical thinking according to which the durability, quality, and satisfaction level are represented by these brands. 3. In a personal finance. One is financial planning is a vivid example of the application of statistics in everyday. This data serves as a historical basis for planning such as commitment projection that require a specific strategy drawing to be achievement. 4. In sports, an athlete records are made based on their performance by the number of matches or games in which they have participated. In the case of baseball players, their performance is measured by the percentage of their bats, runs scored, and bases stolen. The statistical data collected is an objective element that leads to the best use of resource and training. This is how athletes achieve their maximum performance. 5. In sales, measurement of service quality, level of customer satisfaction, and sales strategy itself is determined by the application of statistical techniques. The sales team is evaluated based on the frequency table. The results of this evaluation are converted into parameters that determine the level of effectiveness. The conclusion from the material we convey that statistic comes from the word state, which means country, and thus it has the sense of the study of the state, especially data analysis that exists in a country. Increasingly, statistics are progressing. Statistics shift its meaning into the science of collecting and classifying data not only with the national spheres but in many areas. The main function of the statistic is evaluating or guideline used to make a decision. The job opportunities of a statistic graduate like quality control analysis, budget analysis, mathematicians, and in addition, statistics are also useful in everyday life such in the field of sports, sales, and personal finance.
That's all the presentation from us. If there is a mistake, we apologize and thank you for your attention.